Amazing natural treatment for rapid recovery after stroke. Stroke occurs when blood flow to an area of brain is cut off. When this happens, brain cells are deprived of oxygen and begin to die. Sudden bleeding in the brain also can cause a stroke if it damages brain cells. While the neurons are dying, they release chemical signals called damps. And these damps trigger an inflammatory response. And then the liquefactive necrosis begin. Paralysis is very common after a stroke. The two most common kinds of post-stroke paralysis are hemiplegia and hemiparesis. Hemiplegia refers to severe paralysis of one side of the body. About 80% of strokes are ischemic strokes. Ischemic stroke is treated by removing the obstruction and restoring blood flow to the brain. And thrombolysis is currently the only therapeutic option. However, shortly after the onset of the stroke, brain cells are seriously damaged or die. When this happens, restoration of blood flow might even increase the damage. Many subcritically damaged cells, which could potentially be saved, induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, and are therefore also irreversibly lost. The brain has some ability to orchestrate self-repair, and there is a time-limited window of opportunity for potential treatments for self-repair. Scientists use the term plasticity to generally refer to the brain's ability to change. A stroke patient is able to form new brain connections that allow him or her to move and talk again. Within weeks of a stroke, new blood vessels begin to form, and newly born neurons migrate long distances to the damaged area, to aid in the regeneration process of the brain. In order to recover from stroke quickly and naturally, you need to focus on Herbalzym therapy, that can help you rewire your brain as fast as possible, and speed up the two healing processes of neurogenesis and angiogenesis together. While conventional stroke therapies can at best limit damage to the brain, Herbalzym therapy works on a different level: neuroprotective, thrombolytic, angiogenic, neurogenic, anti-inflammatory, neurotrophic, and antioxidative, and has shown great potential in the restoration of brain function. In clinical trials, stroke patients who have received Herbalzym therapy have experienced dramatic improvements in sensory and motor function, after 45 days of treatment without adverse effects. This results in a significant change of how stroke can be treated. If you suffer from severe form of stroke, Herbalzym therapy, Strokezym, Tianzym, EGCG Max, GC vinegar, could be used as a first-line therapy. The right combination of powerful natural ingredients can promote your neuroplastic healing after stroke. Meet an inspirational stroke survivor. This patient had a catastrophic stroke in 2015 that left him paralyzed on his left side, unable to walk or use his left arm. However, he made a dramatic recovery after 45 days of treatment with Herbalzym therapy in 2019.